Uh-huh. 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 Hello there, Earthlings. Basically, this duck was telling me that he wants to wear my Dolce & Gabbana watch. So I said to the duck, in the duck language, that you're going quackers. Yeah. Anyway, less of that. Let's put it away. So I'll see you soon. You can't wear this Dolce & Gabbana watch because you're going to drown. And I've got to think about yourself. Anyway, let you float away back. Right, welcome Earthlings. It's world famous for Vermont to see you. The year's 2022 and I come straight down from Vermont to see you Earthlings. Hope you're well and fighting fit. Hope you're doing all the exercises well in 2022. Yes, right. Bring oxygen to the brain and you got to keep active. Yes, right. You got to keep acting, keep moving and walk about as much as you can and do some running and exercise as well. Do some housework if you want to do that, but you need to bring oxygen to the brain. Yes, right. Anyway, so today we're going to be making another famous recipe for this year, 2022. Yes, right. So let's get the famous Rotling oven and see what we're going to make. So we got the Rotling oven, and today on the Vermont menu, we're going to make peppered curry. Yes, right. We're going to make peppered curry and that is going to be so delicious. Yes, right. So basically what peppered is peppered. You can buy this from an Asian shop here, which is pre-packed and it comes in a packet like that. Most of these poppadoms are actually made in India and actually transported from India into any country you want, or they could even make them in their own country. So basically this is called the poppadom and these are just rolled out and they're dried out in the air and then how you make this is you can either fry it or you can actually put it on the gas hob and it puffs up. But today, we're going to make a famous recipe. Yes, right. We're going to make peppered curry and we're going to break all these poppadoms into little pieces and we're going to put them in a bowl like this as well. And then we're going to transfer them into another container like this vessel and we're going to put water in there and we're going to make it boiled up a bit as well. So anyway, so what we're going to need for this recipe is 2 packets of poppadom. Yep, any type you want. They're just different various flavors, but it doesn't really matter. And also we're going to need 2 onions as well. We're going to be mandolin these onions into little pieces so we can mix it with the pepper. And then we're also going to need some pepper as well. So you can either have it in the powder or you can just grind that as you use it. Then we're going to need 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then we're also going to need 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and also we're going to need the famous ginger garlic cubes as well. That you can microwave and you can get that from any Asian supermarket shop as well. So anyway, so this is the recipe that I'm going to make, pepper curry. So let's go and enjoy this journey together. So here goes. Get ready for some action. Hello there, Earthlings. So basically, I boiled the peppers in here, and they look like this consistency. Yes, right. So they've been boiled and they're softened up like this. Yeah, they're just like little pieces like that. Yes, right. And then what you need to do is just strain some of the water off as well with this colander in the sink. And now I'm actually going to be boiling. Just heating up this oil in there, and also we need 2 cloves. I forgot to mention that we need 2 cloves. So 2 cloves have gone in here right now, and they're going to be cooking away there with the spices, and now we're going to put some more spices as well. We're going to put the cumin seeds as well, and we're also going to put the mustard seeds as well. Yes, yes, right. And now we're also going to put the onions as well. Yeah, while that's simmering in there, and we're also going to use the onions. So basically, as you know, the Vomana man, it's all about speed. Yes, yes, right. So these onions, they need to be mandolin because Vomana man is a busy man. Yes, yes, right. I'm busy in 2022 and it's all about speed. So if I can make it, then you lazy earthlings can do that as well. So get an investment in a mandolin as well to save you some time instead of crying away. So basically the papad has actually been boiled away, and that's what it looks like. Yeah, it's really softened up right now, and all the pepper is really nice and soft now. And you can also drain the water. I've got one of these colanders, and you can drain it in the sink. It doesn't matter if you've got some water in there because it'll make a little curry sauce in there. So anyway, what I've done right now, I've actually mandolin the onions, and the Vomana man, it's all about speed. Yes, yes, right. It's all about speed. Make your speed work for you because it works for me. So then, if you're going to invest in mandolin for 2022, make yourself some time instead of crying away and cutting onions. And also right now, put 2 cloves in here as well. We put 2 cloves in here, and also the oil's in there right now as well. And I've put the mustard seeds, the cumin seeds, and I'll put the onions. Yes, yes, right. Now we're going clockwise as well, and we're also going anti-clockwise as well. And we're doing a famous zigzag as well, and we're frying this away. And look at this nice golden colour here right now. Yes, yes, right. Yep, nice golden colour. And now we're also going to put in the ginger garlic cube, which has been microwaved as well. And most of these, the pompardon peppers, they also already got some spices in there as well. But it doesn't matter. You can get ones with flavoured pepper ones as well, and also different types of flavour as well. But it doesn't matter. It's the same process. So we put the ginger garlic in there, and that's frying away. And now we're going to put the turmeric powder in there as well. And we're also going to put in the rest of the spices as well. Yes, yes, right. Yep, this is just smelling just fantastic. Yes, yes, right. 2022, fantastic. 2022, fantastic. So we're doing the, yep, look at these nice coloured, vibrant spices that really mix it in. Yes, yes, right. We're firing up this nice pan, and it's really fired up. Yes, yes, right. Nice and golden colour, and if you can just smell this right now, it's fantastic. Yes, yes, right. And now we're also going to put in some other things as well. We're going to put in some pepper as well. So yeah, just put some pepper in like that right now. Yep, we're going to put that in there right now. It's up to your choice how much you want. I like pepper. Yes, yes, right. Yep, I like pepper to spice up the body and also the rest of the brain as well. Yes, yes, and we're going to put some salt as well. Yeah, put the salt in there. And also, we're going to give it a stir. Yes, yes, right. Becoming a nice little paste here right now. Wow, this is just fantastic. I feel like I'm on Vomana right now. Yes, yes, right. And now we're also going to put in the pompardon, the papad pieces in there, which have been nicely we put them boiled up as well. So look at this. Yes, yes, right. It looks like a jelly pieces. Yes, yes, right. And what you have to do now is actually put all the spices, mixing it all in this pepper. Yes, yes, right. You're going to mix it all in. Yes, yes, right. Turning around, going clockwise and anti-clockwise and zigzag. Yeah, so this is going to take some time, probably about another 15-20 minutes doing it properly, and then the Vomana man will be back in due course to do the taste of. Yes, yes, right. So don't go away, and I'll be back soon and give you my verdict on the papad curry. So see you soon. Welcome back, Earthlings. It's the Vomana man. Yes, yes, right. So look at this fantastic papad curry. Look at that, piping hot as well. And it really looks a lot of nice texture in it as well. And it's really softened up as well. And look at that, all them nice the turmeric powder made it nice and yellow, and all the spices going really crackling in. Yes, yes, right. And there's a big portion as well, so that can actually feed a family of 5 at least. And you can even store this for the next day as well. Put it in the fridge, and you can actually use this, eat it with chapati, and also you can eat it with naan bread as well. Yes, yes, right. So now it's the time of the Vamana man's taste of. So I'm going to get a nice portion here. I'm going to put it just there. Yes, yes, right. Wow, this is just looking Vamana deliciousness. Yes, yes, right. So here goes. Here goes the taste of. Yummy, yummy, yummy. For my tummy. I can taste the cumin seeds. I can taste the mustard seeds. I can taste all the spices. And also, I can taste the pepper. And it's really oozing out my mouth. And it's really tasting just Vamana deliciousness. And you know what? I'm going to have some more. Because I can. Here goes. That's fantastic. I feel like I'm in Vamana. Really soft, and they didn't even take that long to make. So if the Vamana man can make it, then you lazy earthlings can make it as well. Yes, that's right. You can make this nice, wonderful recipe for your friends and family who come round, or just a nice get-together. Yes, you can even take this on a picnic as well. Yep, you can go down into the park and heat it up, and then you can all sit down and eat it. You can put it in a baguette bread as well and enjoy that. So what that means is that was another recipe that the Vamana man made for this year, 2022. So it's that time of day now. It's an emergency. And when it's an emergency, I have to go back to Vamana because they need me right now. And today, I have to go back up there straight away because we're going to be counting the rings on Saturn. Yes, that's right. I'm going to be the chief leader on whose vote is going to be the most rings on Saturn counting. And you know what? I'm going to take somebody's papad curry while I make a decision count, see who's actually won the competition. But anyway, I'm going to have some of this black water, not clear water. Look at that nice black water that is, especially from Vamana. Yes, yes, right. I'm really full up now. So, it's that time of day now. You need to get on your dancing shoes and do some dancing. Yes, yes, right. It's no good earthlings being going on a potato couch and having a big belly. Because let's face it, you can become a hippopotamus just like that. So, you need to get your dancing shoes on and do some dancing with this wonderful music. And all you earthlings can all subscribe to my channel, Vamana Man, and on the YouTube, and also Instagram channel as well, called Vamana Man. I love you all, and I'll see you soon for some more recipes. Yes, yes, you're right. I'm smiling for you, earthlings, and I'll see you soon. Take care, and I'll see you again. Ciao for now.
Untitled